Okay, welcome to my channel. Guess what time it is? It's time to announce the winner of the Wiha torque screwdriver set, 20-piece screwdriver set. Let me get the camera turned around and let's get into it. Okay, first I just want to show the set again, in case everybody forgot. I don't know why you would forget. This is awesome. Comes in this nice case. It's pretty thick too. Anyway, I've already shown how to work it and what the bits are and everything else in the my review video of this. So if you want more information on it, like I said, go to that video and check it out. But let's get into the giveaway. I got the random comment picker up here. Of course, you had to put "I'm in." I don't know how clear that's going to be. It looks kind of weird. Let's see. I've never done this before, so I don't know what all you have to do. Let's see. Seems to be a little slow. Uh-oh. Okay, sorry. I think I may have had the wrong link in there, but let's try this again. Here we go. Like I said, I'm new to this. I've never done this before. Good luck, everyone. Let's see what we come up with. Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. There should be way more than 16 comments. I guess hit start. Let's do that. Yep, that's it. Okay, as you've seen, BS Small Engines won it. Brandon, you're the winner. Contact me through my email that's on my about page, or on Instagram. Just DM me on Instagram at your address, and I'll get in touch with Wiha and get this stuff sent out to you, or get this set sent out to you. It's an awesome set. Congratulations, and thanks to everyone that participated. I appreciate it. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and everything. Anyway, I hope everybody was excited about that as I was. That's all I have for this one. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.